Hi everyone, today let's talk about what beginners should consider when starting an oil press factory. First, check the market. Understand the local demand for olive oil, competitors, and popular types of oil. Second, check the raw materials. Is supply stable? Are prices fluctuating? It's best to locate near to raw material sources to save on transport. Third, consider space and permits. Make sure the facility is sufficient and compliant, especially regarding environmental and fire safety regulations. Don't forget business licenses and food production permits. Fourth, choose the equipment. Choose between small oil press machine or medium pressing and refining plants based on your production skill and budget. Fifth, plan your budget. Include costs for equipment, space, raw materials, labor, utilities, and packaging. Six, think about sales channels. Retailers oil, supply restaurants, brand bottled oil, or sell online, all are options. If you want to know more, please contact us. We offer end-to-end support from equipment to production technology.